So in this video, we'll see how we can add add-ons like gift wrap or any other product add-ons product with this product. Like suppose this is my money plant. I want to add add-ons of another plant. I can add it here. Here you can see I have added add-ons of gift wrap. Click on add new. Now here you can see. So we'll see how we can easily add add-ons of product. Here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now, to add product add-ons features, like with product, you want to add add-ons feature, we need to install a plugin that is Upsell WP. Now here you can see Upsell WP. Click on install and activate it. Now plugin is installed. Go to Upsells, go on campaigns. Here you can see, click on Get Campaigns. Here you can see product add-ons. Choose this type of display the add-ons product on product display. If you want to display add-ons in product page, you need to buy pro version of this plugin. I have added link in description to buy pro version of this plugin. Just go there and purchase it. Then you can easily able to add product add-ons. And with pro version, you get multiple options like cart add-ons, upsell, pop-up, next order coupon, thank you page. There are multiple options. There are multiple feature of this plugin that you can use. So now I have already purchased this plugin. I will install it. For that, you need to upload the pro plugin by clicking here, upload file, and just choose file and install now. Okay. Now after installing, you need to activate that plugin. I have installed Upsell WP Pro. I will activate it. Now here when I go on Upsell, go on campaign. Here you can see. Now when I click on create campaign, here you can see I can able to create product add-ons. Here, create campaign. So what do you want to show on product add-ons? Like suppose you want to show custom products in your product add-on. I want to show add-ons of each product customizably. That's the simple way. There are multiple way you can show related products and add-on, cross-sell product and add-on, upsell product, or even you can show a specific product like this add-ons will be shown on these product if you want to show, and you can use a recommendation engine that you can create from here. As of now, what we want to show custom products. That's very simple. And if you want to give discount, like there will be 10% discount on products add-on, you can give it. Now custom products, we want to suppose we want to add add-ons in any product. What we do, we'll go on products here, go on money plant. Now here you can see product add-on feature. Now here you can add the add-ons. Like suppose I want to give add-on for gift wrap. Like this, with this product you will get a gift wrap add-on that you want. I will create a product with gift wrap, or you can add like gift wrap it $5, suppose. Very simple. I've created it. You can create multiple type of add-ons as per your requirement. Now I will go on that product here. Here you can see I will add a gift wrap. Update. Now here you can see with money plant I can add gift wrap packet. Then its total price will be this. I can add multiple add-ons as per my requirement. I click on add to cart. Here you can see I am getting 5% discount. You can also see on checkout gift wrap add-on. You can add any type of add-ons, like if you want to with this flower pot I want to give a additional pot as a add-on, you can add it. So add-ons are like this, like you can give add-ons with your product, whatever add-ons you want to show. It's very easy. That's why you can easily add-ons in your products in WooCommerce. So that's very simple. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.